Welcome to the AZ channel. Let's start. Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light. Check your vehicle before hitting the road.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you?
Don't overtake using the stop lane. This video shows you why. Adjust your speed wherever you are. Very simple. Just respect traffic light. Respect traffic light. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic. Very simple rule. Just respect traffic light.
Fucking hell! Holy crap!
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic. Main reason why this accident happened was the driver who didn't respect traffic light.
Actually, he's 22, and that's disappointing. His name is Logan Paul. I don't listen to boy bands. No, all the kids love it.
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
You okay, man?
Don't take away the right of the way from the other cars. Look where you're going. Always make a good assessment before your turn. Look where you're going. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.